Hey there, it's Catherine. Here we have the Smart Portable Air Compressor. It says that this pump will inflate things to 145 PSI. We don't have anything that will go to that high of PSI, but we do have this bike tire here that will go to 120. And so we want to try it out on that. So let's give it a shot. We'll go ahead and turn it on. See there. Okay, it's set towards car. So we're going to scroll through to bike. It's set on PSI units, so we're good there. And then up to 115. Let's go ahead and take that up to 120. All right, we're all set. So we need to put our Presta attachment on this. So we'll just screw that on. Make sure it's on there pretty snug. Then we want to put this on. There we go. Okay. And then to turn it on and get it inflating, we just press this button again. Wow, oh my gosh, that's impressive. That worked awesome, and that was fast for as much PSI that it took it to and as deflated as it was. So really cool. If you're looking for a portable air pump, I suggest you check this one out. I hope this review is helpful. Thanks for watching.